Hi, this is Aravind. Welcome to another tutorial. Today, let us see about the basic commands in AutoCAD 2018. So in the previous video, I have already explained you how to install AutoCAD 2020. So AutoCAD 2018, 2019 and 2020 are having almost a similar interference. So let us get into this video. After opening the AutoCAD, you can find the user interference in the same way. You can see here different templates stating it and start drawing. So here you can have the recent documents which are having. So let us start with a new fresh drawing. So when you enter into the AutoCAD drawing, you can find the user interference here. So in the topmost, you can have diff command panel. So in the first one is in draw command panel. The second one is modify. Third one is annotation, and fourth one is layers. So the fifth one is blocks, properties, and different utensils you're having. So in this video, let us learn about the draw command. So in the draw command, the first command is line. You can just press here the line command, or you can just type L enter. You have to note down these shortcuts. L enter. So this will be useful in drawing fast. You can always enter this L command, so you can get into this command. So what is the useful of this command is you can give different lines. For example, if you select this line command L and just select a point, and you have to extend it. So it is asking me different numbers. You can see that 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. So in this way, for example, if you give for 50, so it will draw you a line up to 50. Again 40, again 10, enter. So you can get this line, and you can just press escape or enter. So for every this, you have to use this line command, and it's very useful command. The second one is polyline. You can just press here PL polyline, or just type PL, enter. P line means polyline. Polyline means multiple lines drawing at a time, which gives an closed object. So polylines makes an closed object. Okay. You can draw an open object also, it's not a problem. So third command is circle. So in circle we have different types of commands. The first one is radius. After selecting this circle command, you have to specify the center point of a circle. So just specifying the center point, and you have to draw. It is asking specify radius for a circle. For example, I give a radius of 5. So here you can see the radius of circle 5 has been found. For example, let us see the dimension of this. You can see 10. 10 divided by 2, it's 5. So you got a circle of radius 5. So in this way you can draw. The another one is center and diameter. For example, you are having a diameter. You can just give the center point and just give the diameter. For example, 10. So a circle with diameter 10 has been formed. In the same way, the 2-point circle. For example, you are having 2 circles here. I will draw another circle, center radius, and with 5. Okay. Now you are having a 2-point circle. 2 points circle. After selecting this, you have to select the 2 points. For example, I will select this point and this point. So with the 2 points intersection, you can find a circle has been formed. So this is what the useful of this 2-point circle is. The next one is 3-point circle. You are having in 3 circles, and you want to draw a circle with the 3 points based. How can you draw? And this is the command you can use. The first point here, the second point here, and the third point, for example, you want it here. So by touching here, here and here, a 3-point circle has been drawn, and this is the useful of 3-point. The another one is tan radius. Here we have to give the tangent of a first circle, the tangent of a second circle, and you have to mention the radius, for example 5, enter. So the tangent of this circle and this circle attaching to this tangents and circle has been formed. So by mentioning the radius, so tan circle has been formed. The another one is tan. So what is the useful if you are having multiple objects and you want a circle embedded here, so you want to add tangent for this type of circles, you have to select tan circle, tan tangent of this circle, tangent of this circle, tangent of this circle. So a tangent of these three circles and circle has been embedded in between these. So these type of commands you can use. For shortcut of circle, see enter. You will get a center point with radius. If you want to get an diameter, you have to select it manually. There is no shortcut. See enter. Or you can just select from here 3 points, 2 points, or tan radius, or tan everything. Okay, this is about the circle command. The next command is arc command. So here arc command, 3 points arc, or you can also type ARC, enter. So it is asking me to specify the first point of arc. So specify the second, third. So what happened? An arc has been created. Again, let us try 3 points arc. 1, 2, 3. Arc has been created, right? So in this way an arc has been generated. So next one is start, center, end. Start, center, and you can mention the end. Okay, so in this you can find different types of arc commands in the below itself. So you can try it based upon the UI usage, you can see. So the next command is rectangle, and this is very useful command. After selecting rectangle command, or you can just enter REC, enter. So it is asking me to specify the first corner point. So I will just specify the first corner, and I have to specify the another corner. The diagonal corner is mentioned here, see. So based upon your diagonal corner, the length and depth have been decided. Okay, it is manually decided. So the arc polygon, the 4-line polygon is here. So the next one is polygon. So after selecting polygon, it is asking me number of sides, for example 5. So it is asking me to specify the center of polygon. Okay, so inscribed in circle or circumscribed about the circle. So I will just inscribe the circle. So it is asking me radius of a circle which is an inscribed, for example 5. So a circle with 5 having a center of this, an inscribed polygon has been formed. For example, if you see polygon which is having some 5 sides, and it is asking, let us see this polygon which is asking me for example 6 sides. It is asking me to specify the polygon center, and after entering it is asking me to inscribed and circumscribed. For example, circumscribed, we have to mention the outside circle, for example again 10. So a circle with circumscribed has been formed with a polygon. So the next one is, you can see here, it is an elliptical arc. It is asking, after selecting this ellipse, you can see it is asking me to specify the center of an ellipse, center, and draw the end, and you can give the other axis distance. Again, you can see it asks me to center of an ellipse, specify the end point of an axis. It is a major principal axis. You have to enter the major principal axis end point, and you have to give the other directions. Yes, it's enough. You can get the elliptical arc. So elliptical arc, so we have already seen, specify the point. Okay, the arc has been created. Elliptical arc 1, 2, 3. Okay, arc has been created. So in this, So this is what about the draw command. There are few other commands which are already mentioned here. So the first one is here, spline fit. What is the useful of spline fit is it is a polyline, but I will show you. And enter. So if you just click this, you can see vertices has been given here. You can stretch this. These spline are created with an radius for each vertex. This is about the spline first option. The second option is spline with vertices. This is without vertices showing. This is with vertices showing. For example, the spline with this have been created. Enter. If you see this, the vertices of this line has been created, but here you can see no vertices has been mentioned, but here the vertices has been mentioned, means this one is having a radius of some circle and this is having a radius of some circle. So this is useful. The next one is infinity line or construction line. So this is an infinity line. You can draw, just mention here, and you can just give an enter. Just you can get an infinity line. This is what. So the next one is about the ray. Point and give. Multiple rays can be given. The next one is multiple points and divide. Let's see about this divide. So for example, you are having, I'll just clear this. Yeah, I'll just clear this. Okay, for example, you are having a line. Okay, you want this line get divided into 5 equal parts. Go to draw command. Here you can see divide. Press the divide command, press enter. It is asking number of segments. I already mentioned 5 segments I want. So 5, enter. Here you can see the line. Again, we will just see. Select the object to be divided. So number of segments you want 5 segments, enter. Here you can see the 5 segments has been already divided. See, I will show you. I will just transfer this. You can see this points has been given. So I will draw you another line and show you with 5, enter. For this I will divide into number of parts. For example, 3 equal parts I want to divide. It is showing me some points here. So this is how you divide the line. So next one is measure. You can get then specify length of a measure, etc. This is what the draw command you are having. These are what the different types of draw commands you are having. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and in next tutorial we will see about different modify commands and different commands. Until then, thank you. Bye.